The Alameda Theatre was one of those glorious venues that created a unique dimension to the movie-going experience. And now, after nearly 30 years, the glorious monument to the golden age of cinema has reopened. I'm Colonel Pop of the Movie Treat Team.
And I'm Franklin Bunwell, here to join the City of Alameda and the Alameda Entertainment Associates in welcoming you back to the movies.
Alameda's marquee lit up in 1932, quickly making the city a popular theater destination.
Decades of film history shown on its screen. Until 1979, when single-screen theaters simply couldn't compete with multiplexes and other forms of home entertainment. Many such theaters were destroyed.
Between 1979 and 2000, the Alameda Theatre building was used for all sorts of stuff, like a roller skating rink, a practice stage for rock bands, a gymnastics school, and a secret location of government UFO cover-up conspiracies. Or so they say. The place kept getting remodeled and even vandalized. The ravages of time just trashed the place. For years, the construction was at the center of an intense effort to find a way to restore the vintage cinema.
The whole problem was that single-screen theaters on their own can't compete with modern megaplexes. And there wasn't much parking in the area. They added a multiplex, a cafe, and parking structure right to the theater.
Preserving the building's historic significance was a top concern.
Chandeliers, light fixtures, and carpets were replicated or cleaned and restored, and fine metal coatings were applied to the walls. More than 30 decorative sunken ceiling panels, known as a coffered ceiling, were stripped of paint to find their original patterns. The Art Deco Theatre Palace now looks like it did when it first opened in 1932.
In the auditorium, most of the original leaf was in good enough condition to require only some cleaning and touch-ups. The original hand-painted curtains of the auditorium have been restored, and nearly all of the original ornate light fixtures are back in place.
El exterior del edificio ha sido rehabilitado, con las marquesinas en su frente del diseño original. Y no solo eso, la cafetería ha sido restaurada y expandida para el proyecto final.
Movies and downtown theaters are a vital part of American history. And now, Alameda is once again a theater destination, providing a classic, one-of-a-kind, movie-going experience.
On behalf of the City of Alameda, the theater management, and the Movie Treat Team, I'd like to thank you for joining us in this look at a truly amazing and unique cinema adventure. We hope that you fully enjoy your time here at the Alameda Theatre.